Yeah, so a bumblebee took a liking to me. Hi. He's been crawling on me for a while. There was a couple flies crawling on me. And then the bumblebee started with the crawling. I'm literally, like, I get dirt under my fingernails. I'm covered in dirt from my garden. Hi. Hello, welcome. This thing was crawling on me for a freaking minute. For a few minutes. Can't keep up with him. Dude, he was crawling on me for a few minutes. A bumblebee. I don't mind it. We're in a heat wave right now, but it's like starting to get dark out. And I'm just, honestly, I'm a little tipsy and I'm just slowing down. And I just want to show the effects of this because it's pretty freaking cool that that a bumblebee would just keep landing on me like that. That doesn't happen every day. He was on me for a while until I started recording, and then he was just like, I'm gonna go away. I swear to God, this truck says Temu on it. It's got like an orange thing, and I ordered stuff from Temu, and there's like a truck with an orange thing that keeps... Yo.